Hi, I'm Ed from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment. I'd like to show you this Mahindra with a front mount grapple, root grapple, which is a great little unit. And we have an electric over hydraulic system hooked onto our system right here. In the back, we have our backhoe with an optional thumb. I'd like to show you how all this works real quick on this Mahindra 1526. That's Mahindra grapple package with an optional electric over hydraulic with a backhoe with a thumb from Orchard Hill Farm Equipment.